Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to repair your Xiaomi electric scooter front wheel. It's not uncommon for the front wheel fork to bend during a fall, like what happened to me. This repair is not too difficult, but it can take some time, so be patient. In this case, I'm going to replace two components, the front wheel fork and a part of the steering, as both were damaged during the fall. Before we begin, I want to point out that the front wheel fork is slightly different in the Pro and Pro 2 models, so make sure you order a compatible replacement part for your specific model. For this replacement, you'll need a set of Allen keys, a wrench, some lubricating grease and a pair of gloves. Let's start by removing the front reflectors. Unlike mine, the stock ones are usually just stickers that you can peel off. Now you will see 4 screws holding the right cover in place. Choose the correct Allen key and remove them. On the left side there are only 2 screws, which you can remove with the same key. Next, I will remove the handlebar and then the wheel, but you can do this in whichever order you prefer. Make sure that the handlebar hinge is unlocked and folded. Unscrew the top and 2 side screws. Then pull up the hinge and remove it. Remove the small side screw and lift the plastic cap underneath, revealing the end-of-run steering gear and the bearing. Take them out and remove the wheel. Using a wrench, unscrew the wheel. Now remove the front fender and plastic cover and install them on the new front wheel fork. Apply some lubricating grease and insert the bearing as shown. Then slide everything inside the main frame. On top, apply some lubricating grease and insert the other bearing with its gasket. Place the end-of-run steering gear and cover it with the plastic cap. Finally, insert the top side screw. Reattach the handlebar hinge and screw it starting from the top. Now pay close attention to the wheel screw, make sure that this is positioned downward and insert the wheel. Screw it in place and reinstall your side covers. And there you have it, you have successfully repaired your electric scooter. If this video was useful, please don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing. Bye!